That first half was horrible. Very frustrating to watch. No creativity, no combination play, poor technique. We were failing the basics. I was so convinced the match was going to end 0-0 because it was very bad from both teams. Our midfield, the midfield trio of Jabulo Blom, Youssef Mart, and Fundo Villaras was not working at all. Jabulo Blom, no confidence. Youssef Mart, he was back to default. He was the Youssef Mart we all know. I'll be lenient on Mfundo because I don't think he's a number 10. Mfundo is not an orchestrator. He's dangerous coming in from the right, catching into his left foot, having a shot, playing a diagonal ball. I have to give credit to Nabi for the substitutions. I think he got them spot on, especially by bringing on Mduduzi Shabalala and Josh Matlo. That's when we started seeing creativity. That's when we started creating chances, combination play. Our defense, we were not tested. Forward, we didn't create much, I have to say. But then one may look at this game and say, okay, we're heading into our last 10 games. This is a period whereby performance doesn't matter. We just have to grind results, because forget the third spot for a moment. We might not even make the top 8, mate. At the start of this game, we were 8 on the log. We won, we still 8 with a goal difference of -2. So we might not even make the top 8. So these are the matches we have to win. These last 10 matches will be very, very crucial. I think we'll have to grind results if we have to. Let's get to player ratings. Vuma didn't have a busy day. No, he wasn't tested. Our defense was not tested. I'll give him a 5.5. Rick Frosler only played 45 minutes. I'll give him a 5. Edmilson Dove, good game, 6.5. Msimango, who came in for Rushin Dudley, I think he played well, 6.5. Inacio Miguel, 6.5 too. Jabulo Blom was very average. Give him a 5. Youssef Mart, 5. Fundo Villarazi, 5 also. Pule Modi, I'll give him a 6. Chivaviro, 6. Didn't really have enough chances. Then Lilepo provided the assist, of course. I'll give him a 7. The subs, Ashley Dupree, of course, got the winning goal. I'll give him a 6. Duduzi Shabalala, he was very good. I'll give him a 6. Solomons, I'll give him a 5. Matlo was very good alongside Duduzi Shabalala. I'll also give him a 6. Nkosi Ngcobo, 5. Then I'll give Nabi a 5.5. Mainly because of the substitutions. I'll give him a 5.5. I think his substitutions were spot on. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be back for more.